how healing Mother Earth is. I was just sitting at my morning tree here, and there was something related to my creational work where I felt some sort of like panic or tightness, and it showed up in my body, in my chest. And yes, these feelings are not comfortable. So I allowed simply to really feel that, to just feel that sensation. And after a moment, there came energy from the tree trunk, from the tree, and that went into this area almost really like it went into my body, and it went through it continuously like a circulation was flooding in and dissolving. I really felt it, how it was dissolving that area. And it softened. Mother Earth and nature is in resonance with us and so much in support of us. There's so much healing force in nature, and it's an active energy. It's what you are, and it's resonating with you. And it's touching me, this deeply loving connection. Deeply, deeply loving and nurturing of us. Down to earth. Laying here on Mother Earth, on the ground. Letting your energy sink into the earth, into the ground, and receiving this beautiful energy circulating into your body, into your beingness. It's always there for all of us. Bless you.